Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us once again. My daughter, my 6-year-old daughter, is just having a go at this jigsaw now. I gave it to my 4-year-old daughter and my 2-year-old son to complete, but it was a bit difficult. And so I said that Fatima, my 6-year-old, she can have a go after them. Now, it's really important for parents to control what's going on, even at playtime. The reason being is because if this jigsaw is too difficult for my younger children, then my eldest daughter, she needs to be able to do it by herself without somebody coming and taking the pieces, for example. Because that can be very frustrating. And if a parent doesn't control this, then they're going to start snatching, they're going to start arguing, and nobody wants that. So it's very, very important that the parent looks and sees what's happening. So I've got my other 2 children sitting here and they're watching her now. And then they will get a turn as well, and they're going to learn by how she's doing it. It seemed really easy to me, you know, of course, because I'm an adult. But for them, even though it's their age range, it was actually quite difficult. All jigsaws are not the same, so it's just a bit, you just have to try it. So that's all I want to say for now. And I'll see you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I just can't find any more pieces. I feel like a piece is lost.
Well, why don't you find all of the pieces that have these kind of bits on? Like all of these have, the caterpillar has these, don't they?
I've got all of them.
Okay, and that will help you, okay?
But it's not going.
You have to keep trying, you have to keep trying until you complete it, okay?